Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from Amazon affiliate program. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step video. Let's get started right now. But before I start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, of course, is you want to go to you want to just search for Amazon Associates. That's exactly the first thing you need to do, guys. You want to search on a new browser, on your browser, you want to search for Amazon.com Associates. Now, after you are on this page, then what you guys need to do next is you want to add here your bank account, or you want to add here the how you want to receive the money. Okay, so if you already did all the information, I'm going to be showing you other steps. Okay, so as you can see, guys, if you haven't done that already, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here on your email here in the top right, and then click on account settings. All right, and after, guys, you click on account settings, you will find here a lot of different features or options here. As you can see, like contacts, like demographic information, change payment method, view your payment history. Now we want to click here, it says change payment method. Okay, we are not actually going to just click on it, okay, so that you can withdraw your money. Okay, so here as you can see, United States, pay by a check. You can either receive money by a check, but it's the minimum payment is going to be $100. You will actually receive a check in your you will receive it to your it will be delivered from United States to any country you live in right now. But as you can see, you will receive a check or a gift card if you want. You can select here a gift card, Amazon gift card, and the minimum payment is going to be $10. But if you want to, what if you want to transfer money to your bank account? You can actually do that by clicking on add bank account here, and then click on again on add the new bank account. And here you want to enter your bank details, like your account holder name, confirm account number here, the bank name. Now let's say of course you will have to the bank location, you want to change it to any location, for example Morocco or United States or whatever country you want to change here. You need to change the bank location first to your country. Now let's say that you don't have any bank or anything, you can just use Pioneer to receive payments from Amazon affiliate program. You can just select here United States, and you want to enter here the account holder name and the account number, bank name, and then that's it, and then click on save changes. Now keep in mind that after you add your bank account, you will not receive your payments immediately. Okay, as you can see, it says we pay commissions income on monthly basis, 60 days after the end of each month. We will either send you a check, send you an Amazon gift card, or deposit your commissions directly into your bank account. Okay, so that's exactly what I said, guys, at the beginning. And also, as you can see, guys, if you wish to use bank transfer, you will have to tell us the name of your bank, your account number, just like I showed you here. You need to add here your account, you need to add your account number and stuff like that. Okay, so as you can see, you will have, like I said, to wait for example, if you receive if you have made this month, you made $100, you will have to wait for your $100, I would say from 1 month to 2 months, so that you will receive the money to your bank account. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, the problem with the Amazon affiliate program. The same thing with all other platforms, they all work on they all use the exact same thing. Okay, they all use the exact same system. You will have to wait 60 days, as you can see here, after the end of each month. So you will have to wait, guys, 16 days for the money to appear in your bank account. They will send you the money automatically to your bank account. That's if you have added your bank account, like I showed you at the beginning. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments and tell me exactly your question, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, just go to the comments and drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.